This screencast is to demonstrate how to access Canvas and the training portal. So in order to access Canvas, there's this document that states to go to my.ncedcloud.org and you will enter your username and password. Your username is your 10-digit UID number and your password is unique to which you would use to access PowerTeacher, Nisys, SchoolNet, and so on. Your dashboard will have this similar view. So here is an image of the similar view, and then here is an actual, this is the actual dashboard in which you will access. In order to access Canvas, it will be the red icon for LEA 390. Once you click on the red icon for LEA 390, this is a very similar view to what you will also have. This is your welcome dashboard. From your welcome dashboard, there is a question mark that says help on the bottom left icon. Once you click on the help icon, you will have some options to select from. We've highlighted Search the Canvas Guides, which is a really great place to go to when looking for support in specific items. And then I also want to highlight this portion here, the Training Services Portal. This Training Services Portal is a separate tab that will provide you access to a number of smaller modules that may reference things like quizzes. They may have modules that are geared towards teachers and others that are geared towards admin. So this Training Services Portal is a great place to begin your journey with Canvas.